Hey guys, I'm here to spill the tea on Fiverr freelancers. Glowing star, whether you're a business owner, a startup, or just someone who needs help with a project, Fiverr is the place to go. Briefcase hooray. Picture this, you're in need of a logo design, but you're not exactly an artist. No worries. Fiverr has a pool of creative geniuses with diverse skill sets ready to bring your vision to life. From graphic designers to animators, they've got you covered. Paint palette 1. But wait, there's more. Need a jingle for your YouTube intro? Or perhaps, a voiceover for your podcast? Fiverr freelancers have talents in music, writing, and voice acting that will leave you speechless. Musical note, memo, studio microphone. And the best part? Fiverr freelancers are affordable. These talented individuals offer their services at competitive prices, ensuring you get quality work without breaking the bank. Money mouth face biceps. So, what are you waiting for? Hop on Fiverr and discover a world of talented freelancers that are ready to make your dreams come true. Glowing star briefcase 1.